This is my reflection about Rizal and the theory of nationalism. For me, a nation is a group of people who share the same land, culture, and history. Nationalism is different because it is the feeling that makes people love, protect, and care for their country. So it is not just a pride but also action. Rizal's nationalism was shaped by his cultural roots, so he grew up seeing the real situation of Filipino people, especially the unfair treatment during the Spanish rule. So even when he studied in another countries or other countries, he still remembered his home, his people, and their struggles. So this made him want change not only for himself but for the whole nation. So Rizal's work like Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo helped awaken Filipinos. So through his writings, he showed the truth and encouraged unity and love for the country. So in the end, Rizal taught us Filipinos that nationalism starts with knowing who we are and standing up for our nation in peaceful and meaningful ways.